What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be assembling one of the doors. I'm not gonna do all the doors on the Escalade. I'm gonna just do one, just so y'all see how I put everything back together. Let's get right into this video. Y'all see we got the new door handles for all of them. So we're gonna be putting together this rear door today. New handle right there. Just scratched it up, man. Y'all see that? But it's coming along. It's coming along. It's getting there. It's looking real good. But we'll get right into this video right after this intro. See y'all in a minute. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, I'm gonna switch over to my GoPro. And hopefully y'all can hear me pretty good. But I'm gonna switch over to GoPro, that way I have two hands and I can get this stuff knocked out. But it's looking good, guys. We transforming this thing pretty quick. Alright guys, so first things first, we gotta get this door plugged up, let the window up, and then we'll put the door handle in. I forgot to put that trim back on too. Dang it. And I got pieces everywhere. Scraps everywhere. Ain't nothing ever be easy, huh? Alright. So we just gonna plug it up. I'm sorry if I'm moving fast. I got this dang GoPro. We just gonna plug it up. And then we'll get this the window lifted up. Alright. We might need to, hold on, I'm gonna let it up a hair. I gotta put that dang trim back in there. The wheel is stripping. Where's it at? You're trying to do all this stuff by yourself. I'm gonna just hang it right here. On that piece. Oh, there it is. Alright, cool. Man, will it be a pain in the butt? It's going, guys. I'm gonna cut some of this out. It's gonna take too long. I thought I already had this in there. Guess I didn't. That's part of it, though. Battery going. Somebody ain't clear. This battery going dead. There we go. Yeah, battery going dead. Oh, I'm gonna have to charge it up. Alright guys, let me turn y'all off for a minute so I can get this window up. Let me just sit it right here so it don't go nowhere. It's always something. Alright, I don't know what was going on with this piece, but it had the window going slow. I don't know. One thing I know, clean it up a little bit, get some lube on it. I don't know what the deal was. Just clean this side. Keep the lube on that side. Alright. Let's see if we can get it in there. I'm thinking something wrong. I took it off and the window went up just fine. Yeah. Still going up slow. It's like the back part holding it up. I don't know. I'm gonna put this dang door handle on here. I'll worry about this later. Alright guys, last night was just terrible. I had a really bad time. My what you call it? My memory card got filled up. Batteries was going dead. GoPro didn't work right. What else? It was just crazy. And I just got frustrated with this door. Oh yeah, the weather stripping. I got frustrated with everything and I was just like, I'm gonna finish this door up and go to bed. But as y'all can see, brand new door handle in, all the trim on. Everything looks good, real good. Got the window up. Door works good, new door works good. Got all the trim on, everything's on, even the bottom trim on. Everything cleaned up. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all that update. I couldn't even finish the video. But next video, I'm gonna get ready to do the front end. So y'all be ready for that. And I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.